Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We paired that honey butter sauce with some boneless ribs. I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey butter boneless ribs. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, we're gonna get started by seasoning up these ribs. We're gonna add our liquid smoke here, along with our black pepper, our Creole seasoning, Cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, our ground cumin, and our Dijon Musard. And we're just gonna go in this with our hands and get this mixed up real good. Get all those flavors combined. Guys, take a look at that. All right, so we're gonna move over to our air fryer and get it preheated. All right, so we've preheated our air fryer. It's ready to go. You see it says add food, and we're gonna use our Chef Favor air fryer. So let's go ahead and get these ribs on our plate. And this is the reason why I like the Chef Favor, because it's really big. You can get a lot of space for your food. So we have all our ribs right here on our grill plate. We're gonna close it up so they can stop that beeping. We're gonna let this cook for 10 minutes, or a total of 20 minutes. But the first 10 minutes, we're gonna let it cook. And then midway through the cooking process, we're gonna flip those babies over, all right? All right, so we're 10 minutes in. We're gonna pause our cooking. Lift our hood, guys, look at that. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna flip these babies over, and we're gonna allow them to continue to cook for the remaining of the time. If you need to cook it longer than the remaining 10 minutes, go ahead and do so. Make sure you have the right internal temperature. All right, we're gonna close our lid, and we're gonna let this baby finish cooking. All right, so we're done. Says get food. Look at what we have right there. Now what I'm gonna do now is we're going to remove them from our air fryer. I'm gonna sit them in a warming rack, and we're gonna prepare our honey butter sauce. All right, so we've already melted our butter. We're gonna add our brown sugar, our cayenne pepper, our barbecue sauce, and our honey. And we're just gonna get this mixed up. Make sure it's well combined. All right, take a look at that, guys. All right, now let's head over to our cutting board for our final presentation. All right, we're gonna add our ribs to this bowl, drizzle it with some of that honey butter sauce like that, and we're gonna get them mixed up like this around in here. Guys, take a look at that. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get these babies plated up so we can get into our final presentation. There you have it, guys. Honey butter boneless ribs. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. I know y'all down to see what these babies taste like. Let's go. All right, it's quality control time. You already know. Oh, man. I'm trying to find the best one. Show you babies what this baby is about right here. Yeah, honey butter sauce. Wow. Oh man. Hey, we already know this honey butter sauce is good with wings. But man, so good with these ribs too. Guys, definitely give this a try. It's simple, it's easy. Nice little appetizer too. You take these babies up, chop them up, put them in a bowl, send them out there on game day, since everybody just pick at it. You know what I'm saying? So, till then, y'all already know who I am. all wings everything. And remember, him not a chef, he just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.